Oh! I am so sorry. It is me, Wallace Smith, no? I just got back from Arabia, and I think the accent rubbed off on me a little bit. No. Right, so today, we're making French toast. So all you need is very simple. All you need is the bread, eggs, eggs, right there, eggs, milk, good old milk, egg little, and a bowl to put your mixture in. Yes? And then obviously a plate to eat off of. Okay, so you get your bread. Well, I suppose you should first heat up the griddle. So you want it on about get the heat here. You want it on about medium high. Medium high? Yes. So, how many pieces would you like? Or two? Two? Okay. I want 16. No, I just kidding. I want two as well. So you get your bread lid, and it's about 1.5 eggs per 2 pieces of bread. So let's see. 1.5. Well, let's see. According to this, we need about 3 eggs. Don't forget to close up your bread because it's very humid. Yes, it goes bad very quickly. I'm so embarrassed you caught me dancing. Alright, so first you crack your egg. This is making the egg mixture. I learned this in Arabia. It is so good. My hands are all eggy. I must wash them. Okay. So, now that I am salmonella free, we can put the eggs away. And just a little bit of milk. I know I said 3 eggs, but I'm just using 2 because I want to. I don't like odd numbers. It'll be enough. So you whisk. And you might want to get your remote out of the way, so you don't get any egg anywhere. Okay, that should be good. Oh. Wait, let me use this fork. So just set your fork aside. Put the milk away so it doesn't spoil. Okay, yes. Yes, that is the egg mixture. Is that good enough for you? Yes. Okay, so what is my butter? Can you move, please? Where did I put my butter? There it is. I found it. So you get the butter. I just love this music. It is just so breathtakingly talented. I love it. Alright, so you have your butter. You want to make sure you have a grease surface for your French toast. Oh, it smells so good. Can you smell that? Of course you can't. No, it's a recording. But I wish you could smell it. Alright, so you dip both sides of the bread in the egg mixture. Make sure you don't drip any salmonella anywhere. And you plop. And you do that with the other pieces. This can get a little messy, just so you know. Oh, I'm sorry. Oh, look, that's enough mixture. Oh, My kitty cat wants some. He's just so curious, that cat. One day it will kill him. His name is Ahmed. Alright, and there we go. Now we wait. What should we do? Well, we wait. Wash our hands again. I'm sorry, what did you say? I think everyone's done. I'm getting tired. You want to keep a close eye on the French toast. Make sure they are cooking evenly. Evenly. They're looking good so far. Don't get impatient and flip them too early, or else this happens. Watch. It's not even cooked. Nope. You have to wait until it is cooked to flip it. Okay? Good. So, you just stay there and I will, yeah. Oh man. You can't help it. It is just so talented. This is very boring. I did not mention this. So what you can do is if you have a kitty cat, don't cook him. Just play with him. He likes to dance too. Alright, bye kitty cat. I just love this music. Oh, look at me getting impatient again. I tell you, I really miss Arabia. I really miss that Arabia place. It was just so wonderful. I miss it so much. Oh. Something seemed different to you? I don't know. Something seems different. I am just sweating. Sweating. Now who the hell makes French toast in 90-degree weather? I tell you. At 2:30 in the morning too. 2:30. Yeah, look at it. Look at that. Yep. 2:30. Remember when we made mac salad? That was so great. I just really want some cold mac salad. Man, tell you, I think I should hire a new videographer person. You just get way too close all the time. I just can't stand it. But at least I have my music. Oh, I'm sorry, I didn't mean to bump you there. It's just you getting close again. Oh, now our French toast is coming along. Yeah. Look at that. That is perfect. Perfect. Call the hillbillies. Got some French toast here. Awesome. Oh, look at that. Perfect. Done. I just want to turn this damn stove off. It is just too hot. Getting carried away again. I just love this music. Alright, so when it's not done, you just put it on a plate. This plate. Yep, right here. Yep, yes, we get it. We get it. You put it on the plate. Okay, really? You're fired after this. Anyway, so when you're done, you put it on the plate. Oh, look at that, I'm burning it now. You're making me so mad. So you put it on the plate. Stack them up. And you put some butter, syrup, drizzle it all over it. So it's all good and yummy. And you just eat up. So that concludes our session of French toast straight from Arabia. And hope you enjoyed.